Just when you feel like you've used up every good idea you've ever had, someone comes along and asks you to do the impossible. Like the Weston Hills Church. A limited budget and a 30,000 square foot sanctuary aren't exactly compatible, especially in a building that's supposed to look like a church on the inside and on the outside. Hallelujah. It's good to know that some things work out. Then there's the sports arena at the new junior college. 400 by 400 and not one seat with an obstructed view. Not one seat with an obstructed view. And that's a building that'll be around a long time after I'm gone. But one of the toughest challenges we ever had was Pharmac Labs. Even before they broke ground, they were changing the automation flow, moving walls, offices, and warehousing areas. I'm glad we could design a building with the flexibility they needed. You know, it's funny when you stop to think about it, how one thing leads to another. 3 different projects, each with different needs, different objectives, different functions. Yet, they all have something in common. Under it all, they're just big, strong, open buildings. And to think, it all started when we designed this hangar using Behlen S Span.
S Span. S Span by Behlen, one of the most unique and versatile building systems available today.
But what is S Span? How does S Span achieve such design flexibility? And what about other building considerations such as aesthetics, energy efficiency, structural integrity, long-term durability?
S Span building systems incorporate one of the widest clear span roof designs available. Covering spans up to 400 feet without interior columns is achieved through an integrated roof, ceiling, and truss system. This consists of extremely strong yet lightweight diagonal strut assemblies sandwiched between continuous cords of steel. Formed from heavy gauge steel sheets, these panel cords are shaped to maximize the structural strength of the steel. In fact, each panel is nearly as strong as an I-beam of the same weight and depth. The upper cord forms a weather-tight roof with natural standing seams, while the lower cord forms a clean, finished ceiling.
Because of its wide clear span, S Span is ideal for applications such as arenas, stadiums, recreational centers, manufacturing plants, warehousing, office parks, industrial and commercial complexes, public works facilities, retail outlets, and airplane hangars, to name just a few.
The unique S Span roof construction provides for direct integration with virtually any type of wall construction. Popular combinations include precast tilt-up panels, perimeter columns, and masonry block walls. This flexibility allows for a broad spectrum of building applications to meet most any functional and architectural design requirements and specifications.
Beyond providing large, clean, clear spans up to 400 feet, roof cantilevers up to 1/2 the clear span width are possible. Extending the roof system is ideal in many applications, such as covering outside display areas for automobile and equipment dealerships, sheltering warehouse loading docks, or parking areas at shopping malls. But there's more to S Span than meets the eye, much more. To fully understand and appreciate all the benefits, let's take a closer look.
Outstanding weather and corrosion resistance for long, maintenance-free life is provided by 3 roof material options: galvanized steel, aluminized steel, or Galvalume. Virtually airtight construction is achieved using sealant between all panel laps before assembly with plated bolts and nylon washers. Stainless steel panels and bolts may be specified where conditions dictate. When a vapor barrier is required, interior panels can also be sealed.
Inside, S Span construction allows for more usable space because no structural steel framework or interior support columns are required. Also, the integrated ceiling provides for easier cleaning with no exposed trussing to collect dust or dirt and no place for birds to roost. Lighting is easily accomplished with hanging or recessed fixtures. In addition, the ceiling can be used as a reflecting surface for uniform diffusion of light.
Today, energy cost is a prime factor in building design. Behlen's S Span roof system is one of the most energy-efficient designs available. Many buildings lose up to 70% of their heating and cooling dollars through the roof. With S Span, these losses can be cut by as much as 50%. For example, use of 10 to 12 inches of low-cost, blown-in insulation in the plenum between the cords results in an R35 rating or better. This is often difficult to achieve with other types of roof design and construction. In addition, the energy-efficient characteristics of S Span systems can reduce initial heating and cooling equipment costs by as much as 50%, which can provide additional savings in building as well as operating costs.
Behlen's refined roof design with a UL 90 wind uplift rating provides reduced insurance costs. Additionally, S Span's structural design and airtight construction are positive factors in earthquake and fire insurance ratings.
S Span ceilings are clean and uncluttered because its design and load-bearing characteristics allow for installation of mechanical equipment, ducts, and conduit in the plenum. When specified, the roof structure can be used to attach dropped ceilings, basketball backboards, suspended lighting fixtures, scoreboards, running tracks, or nearly any other type of fixture or equipment needing to be up and out of the way.
Use of frameless S Span wall panels for complete S Span structures offers numerous advantages over other frame-type metal structures.
S Span foundation requirements are substantially less than those for frame-type construction due to uniform load distribution around the circumference of the structure. This not only reduces material and construction costs, but can be a very significant factor where soil load-bearing capacity is questionable or poor.
S Span panels provide exceptional durability and require minimal maintenance through use of polyester paints, which resist weathering and deterioration. S Span buildings blend beauty with innovative flexibility in architectural design. The simple, clean lines of S Span coupled with numerous color selections and combinations offer outstanding highlight effects and shadow lines which enhance building appearance.
S Span buildings can be further enhanced by the innovative use of glass, masonry, brick or stone facing, and wood. The architectural design variations are almost endless, limited only by your imagination.
Efficient management and control of building design, engineering, manufacturing, shipping, and construction can reduce building costs and construction time.
Behlen employs state-of-the-art engineering and design techniques, such as PC-based CAD systems, along with the latest manufacturing equipment to assure timely and efficient fabrication and processing of the various components necessary for any complete S Span system. Building materials are then shipped directly to the construction site by BMC Transportation, a Behlen subsidiary.
No other building system better complements critical path building programs. Construction can begin immediately because all materials arrive as ready-to-assemble components. As construction of an S Span building progresses, interior finish work may be started in the completed section.
Typically, S Span buildings can be finished in less time than other types of construction, which can have a very positive impact on construction financing and timely occupancy.
Strategically located in America's heartland, Behlen's facilities include 850,000 contiguous square feet of inside manufacturing space.
Over the past 50 years, Behlen has become a significant factor in the domestic and international building industry and is the world's largest producer of frameless building structures. Behlen's professional staff of registered engineers will assist in translating your ideas, requirements, and specifications into certified S Span building designs to meet your specific application and needs. Customer service representatives and marketing personnel take pride in their company and the quality products they produce. They are committed to providing complete support and assistance from conception to completion and beyond.
But what's on the horizon for S Span? What's ahead for S Span's unique versatility and capability? And how will S Span affect building designs for generations to come?
Behlen is continually pursuing new applications and adaptations for S Span, while exploring new ideas and design concepts for the buildings of tomorrow. Consider the potential for frameless S Span structures spanning up to 600 feet. Imagine the possibilities in an arch design to cover widths of 800 feet, 900 feet, or even 1,000 feet.
For today and for the future, let your imagination soar with S Span by Behlen.